Hello, so this question is longest subarray of 1 after deleting one element. So you want to return the size of the longest non-empty subarray containing one element, and you can delete one element at most, right? So in this solution, you just have to know that you have two pointers, left and right, and then you always shift your right pointer one at a time. And then since this is a condition, if you still satisfy this condition, you don't shift your left. You will only shift when you break this condition. So imagine you're starting from here for right, and this is going to be your left, and then you keep moving your right, one by one, and one by one. At this point, you are deleting what? Two elements, right? So once this happening, you shift your right by one. So, and then you want to make sure that your window is what? It's about the window, right? Alright, let's just start coding, and then you'll be able to follow along quickly. So I'm going to have a result equal to 0, and definitely I'm going to have I equal to, so two pointer, right? I'm going to initial I and j in the for loop. So I need a 0 count. So 0 count is going to be checked. Do I have a valid? Do I have a, so if I traverse a 0 in this element index, I'm going to increment, right? So I should be j, because j is a right pointer, and then j plus plus. Alright, so it would be nice, I'm saying it would be nice if we also initialize this guy over here, 0 count. Alright, so 0 count will based on the j pointer. So if j equal to 0, I'm increment by 1, else 0, right? And then I'm using the while loop to traverse the 0 count. If 0 count is greater than 1, right? 1 is a condition, you can only delete 1. If this is greater than 1, we need to keep updating our 0 count based on this guy, nums I, right? If nums I equal to 0, then we what? Then we minus 1, right? Else 0. So it would be nice to increment your index. So you want to increment your index right over here, but it would be nice to increment your index right over here. So every iteration you want to update your result to what? J minus I, right? J minus I. So this is pretty much the solution. So in this case, you have 3 elements, they all contain 1, and then you must delete 1 element. So the should, and this is a stupid word, but whatever. They contradict each other, but whatever. Alright, so now you just have to return results. So this is the whole entire solution, I believe. Submit. So one of the little things that you don't say j minus I plus 1. This is because if you have 1 element, you must delete 1 element. So you don't count the plus 1, right? Okay, so if the solution is you might or might not, then you need the plus 1, and then this shouldn't be the example. Alright, so time and space is constant, time is going to be what? So imagine this is all of n, and this will be what? For the worst case, like definitely it's going to be n squared for the worst case, right? You shift your right pointer, and then inside the while loop you trigger that one at a time, and this might not be efficient, but the worst case is going to be n squared, but average is going to be all of n for sure. All right. So if you have a question, leave a comment, and see you next time. Bye.